Belief in Humanism, Hacı Bektaş Veli. Altrog is not known exactly. His birth year is 1209. He was born in Nishapur and focused on humanism. He lived in the Hacı Bektaş district, which is currently known as Nevşehir. The main ideas in the Hacı Bektaş Veli's understanding of humanism are as follows: human love, equality, freedom, tolerance, justice, mind and science. He said the following about humanism: even if you get hurt, don't hurt. Let's be one, let's be big, let's be alive. We love the created because of the creator. He believed more in the development of people through peaceful means. He thought that mind and science, tolerance and justice could solve every problem and bring peace. Hacı Bektaş Veli passed away in the Karacabey district in 1271. It is thought that he inspired many people even after his death. In this video, we talked about the value of the Hacı Bektaş Veli on humanism. He says, the end of the road that is not followed by science is dark.